Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Hare Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yeah. Okay, Hare Krishna. Welcome you all to Bhakti Shastri Batch 2 course Fast Track. And this is our second module. I'll just share the Pranati now. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, you want to take Pranati?
Yes, Mata.
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnanatimmirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadam Hyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutapad Kamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindho Deenabandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Eva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya cha. Mataji, just
Jagat Hitaya here.
Jagat Hitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratvashe Namaha Guruve Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhayate Girim Yatkripātamaham vande Paramananda Madhavam Shri Gurum Deenataranam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namah Pankajanaabhaya Namah Pankajamaline Namah Pankajanetraya Namaste Pankajangrahe Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyat Deshatarine Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam Bhaktarupa Swarupakam Bhakta Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivas Adi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes, we'll start with her. Yes, Hare Krishna. So where are we? We are into Lord Krishna is, we are in the 11th chapter wherein Lord Krishna is showing his universal form. So he's showing all his different colorful, colorful this many garlands and many mouths and this everything and all this different features of his one single god, but he can see everything. He can see the future of all Pandavas also, I mean Kauravas, and people who are fighting along with Pandavas, even their fate is also Arjuna is able to see. So in a sense, like what, Arjuna is able to understand that these people are going to be the winner. Why? There were no Pandavas in that. People who are working, who are fighting on the side of Pandavas, even they were seen. They were also getting, getting killed. Like, they were all in between the teeth, everything, all these things are explained there. So all these things we saw. And what was the last we saw was this 30th May. Before that, we saw, I see all people rushing full speed into your mouth. As moths are, that analogy is given, the moths are dashing to destruction in the blazing fire. And the yesterday's last verse we saw, oh Vishnu, I see you devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouths, covering all the universe with your effulgence. You are manifest with terrible scorching rays. All these explanations were given. Yeah, as usual. Now, wait, Rohini Mataji, let Mataji take up, and then Navya Mataji can take. Rohini Mataji, are you ready?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, can you make me the co-host because I logged out from the device? No, I logged out from the device I was using.
Oh, एक minute, I forgot. I was just a moment. Where are you? Oh, I forgot today. Every day I make. I don't know.
I had logged into through two device, Mataji.
Oh,
You had
okay,
made me,
okay.
but I logged out from that
That's
device.
not because I'm used to making co-host.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. ठीक है Mataji, yeah. Carry on.
Text 31. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Akhyahimeko Bhavanugra Rupo Namastute Devavara Prasida Vijnanutam Ichchami Bhavantamadhyam Nahi Prajanami Tava Pravrittim. Word to word. Akhyahi, please explain me unto me, kah, oh, who, Bhavan, you, Ugra Rupa, fierce form, Namah Astu, obeisances, Te, unto you, Devavara, O great one amongst the demigods, Prasida, be gracious, Vidnatum, to know, Ichchami, I wish, Bhavantam, you, Adyam, the original, na, not, he, certainly, Prajanami, do I know, Tava, your Pravrittim mission. O Lord of Lords, translation by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O Lord of Lords, so fierce of form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisances unto you. Please be gracious to me. You are the primal Lord. I want to know about you, for I do not know what your mission is. Hare Krishna.
Haribol. He's so confused. Okay. And like we saw, many words are repeated. So that doesn't mean that it's a mistake. That also we saw yesterday. It is like giving importance more. Like, he has so much feeling. So he's repeating the same words again and again. So that importance is given for those words. And then now he's so scared. Now he's begging, he's requesting the Lord to grace upon him and to know who actually you are. Are you the one whom I'm seeing with all so many hands and legs and so many forms and blazing fire coming out of your mouth? Are you that scary, that figure? Or who are you actually? Who are you? You're the primeval Lord. And then what? Please grace on me, like, and do what? I want to know about you, for I do not know what your mission is. Why are you're showing me all this? So what is your mission? You're everything in it. You're creating, you're, annihilating also. So what is your exact mission? So he's almost all the more confused. Yeah, you can take one more, Mataji. 32 also you take. No, God is replying.
Text 32. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Kalosmi lokakshaya krit pravriddho. Lokan samahartum iha pravrittaha. Ritopi tvam na bhavishyanti sarve. Ye avastitah pratyanikeshu yodhaha. Word to word, Sri Bhagwan Uvacha, the personality of Godhead said, Kala, time, Asmi, I am, Loka, of the worlds, Kshayakrit, the destroyer, Pravriddha, great, Lokan, all people, Samahartum, in destroying, Iha, in this world, Pravritta, engaged, Rite, without or except for, Api, even, Tvam, you, Na, never, Bhavishyanti, will be, Sarve, all, Ye, who, Avastitha, situated, Prati Anikeshu, on the opposite sides, Yodha, the soldiers. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Time I am, the great destroyer of the worlds, and I have come here to destroy all people, with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain. Purport. Although Arjuna knew that Krishna was his friend and the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he was puzzled by the various forms exhibited by Krishna. Therefore, he asked further about the actual mission of this devastating force. It is written in the Vedas that the Supreme Truth destroys everything, even the Brahmanas. As stated in the Katha Upanishad 1.2.25, Yasya Brahma cha kshatram cha ubhe bhavata odanaha mrityur yasyopaschenam ka itha veda yatra saha. Eventually, all Brahmins, Kshatriyas, and everyone else are devoured like a meal by the Supreme. This form of the Supreme Lord is the all-devouring giant, and here Krishna himself is in that form of all-devouring giant. All-devouring time, sorry. Except for a few Pandavas, everyone who was present on that battlefield would be devoured by him. Arjuna was not present on that battle.
Not in favor of the fight.
Oh, sorry, Mataji, what's wrong?
Yeah.
Arjuna was not in favor of the fight and he thought it was better not to fight. Then there would be no frustration. In reply, the Lord is saying that even if he did not fight, every one of them would be destroyed, for that was his plan. If Arjuna stopped fighting, they would die in another way. Death could not be checked even if he did not fight. In fact, they were already dead. Time is destruction, and all the manifestations are to be vanquished by the desire of the Supreme Lord. This is the law of nature. Hare.
So what important point he is saying here? Krishna is pointing out as he is what?
Time.
Kala, yes, Kala. And with Kala, what? Everything will get annihilated. What else he says, Mataji? Everyone, whoever is born, whether you fight or no, if not today, tomorrow you are going to get killed. So even those people who are, though Pandavas are not seen there, I know they are getting killed, but they will be killed one day, but not in the battlefield. They will win the war, but then later on they will also face that. But then Lord says, even if he did not fight, every one of them would be destroyed. One day or the other, they will also get destroyed, because that is what is the nature of Kala. Kala will check everything. Even if he did not fight, death could not be checked, even if he did not fight. So death will, eventually it will come. So in fact, they were already dead. The time is already decided and they will be died one day. Time is destruction and all manifestation are to be vanquished by the desire of the Supreme Lord. So the Supreme Lord, whoever is born, whatever is created, everything will get annihilated one day. They will all die one day. Die means the body, the whatever form they have taken, that will go one day. But actual death is there for any living being? No. It is, we are all always eternal. We are all Satchitananda. We are all eternal. Only the form what we have taken, it will go, it will be annihilated one day. This is the law of nature. Yes. 33, Navya Mataji, and whoever is free can raise your hands. It's a very important shlokas are coming and very nice to hear and read also. Yes, Mataji. Oh, you want my help?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Tasmatumuttishta yasho labhasva.
Tasmatva. Oh,
Your voice is not heard, Mataji. Tasmatvamuttishta.
Tasvatma uttishta.
Tasmat tvam uttishta.
Tasmatvam uttishta.
Yasho labhasva.
Yasho labhasva.
Jitva shatrun.
Jitva shatrun.
Bhungshvarajyam samriddham.
Bhungsharajyam samriddham.
Mayaivaite.
Maivaite.
Nihata purvameva.
Nihata purvameva.
Nimittamatram.
Nimittamatram.
Bhavasavyasachin.
Bhavasavyasachin.
Very, 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 very important shlokas. One of the important shlokas. But this is very full of meanings and full of so much of importance to this shloka. What is that saying? We can read from synonyms. Yeah.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Synonyms by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Read it.
Tasmat, therefore, tvam, you, uttista, get up. Yasa, fame, labhya,
Labhasva.
labhasva, gain. Jitva, conquering. Satrun, enemies. Bhutakshva, enjoy.
Bhungshva.
Okay. Bhungshva, enjoy. Rajyam, kingdom. Samriddha, flourishing. Maya, by
Maya.
me.
Not Maya. Maya.
Maya, by me. Eva, certainly. Ite, all these. Nihata, killed. Purvam eva, by previous arrangements. Nimitta matram, just the cause. Bhava, become.
Bhava.
Bhava, become.
Savyasachi.
Savyasachi, oh Savyasachi.
Though
Translation.
Savyasachin, the meaning is not given. So everything in the purport it would have been given. Savyasachin is, the name is given to whom? Who can fight with both hands, left, right, any whatever way, wherever the enemies come, he can easily fight them. So such a person is called Savyasachin. Though in the meaning it's not given, maybe in the purport it's given. Yeah, translation. Leave methods.
Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Therefore get up, prepare to fight and win glory. Conquer your enemies and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement. And you, O Savyasachi, can be but an instrument in the fight. Purport. Savyasachin refers to the one who can shoot arrow very expertly in the field. Thus, Arjuna is addressed as an expert warrior capable of delivering arrows to kill his enemies. Just become as an instrument, nimitta matram. This word is also very significant. The whole world is moving according to the plan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Foolish persons who do not have sufficient knowledge think that nature is moving without a plan and all manifestations are but accidentally formations. There are many so-called scientists who are suggest that perhaps it was like this or maybe like that, but there is no question of perhaps and maybe. There is a specific plan being carried out in this material world. What is this plan? The cosmic manifestation is a chance for the conditioned soul to go back to Godhead, back to home, as long as they have the domineering mentality which makes them try to lord it over material nature. They are conditioned, but anyone who can understand the plan of the Supreme Lord and cultivate Krishna consciousness
Is most intelligent.
The creature and destruction of the cosmic manifestation are under the superior guidance of Lord. Thus, the battle of Kurukshetra was fought according to the plan of God. Arjuna was refusing to fight, but he he was told that he should fight in accordance with the desire of Supreme Lord. Then he would be happy. If one is full in Krishna consciousness and his life is devoted to the Lord's transcendental service, he is perfect.
He is perfect. So what are the words used here? One is Sabyasachi, who is expert in fighting. Then Nimitta Matram. So what is he saying? Don't think, so indirectly what he's saying, don't think you're very smart, you're going to kill everyone. I have already decided. You are just an instrument. Like an example is shown in our brothers, PPTs and all. When we go through the 18 days course and all, they have shown the knife. The knife is meant for what? To cut. But it should be properly used. If a doctor uses it, he will cut open the wound and he will remove the cyst or anything. He will make the patient. He will recover. The patient will recover by removing the cyst or whatever, the tumor or whatever. But the same, not the same akar, not the same shape or size. But the sharp object is used by a thief or somebody. It will be misused. It will be used for a different purpose. So what God is saying, you are just an ordinary person, like a knife. I will decide what to do with you. So you are just a nimitta matram. I am just making you use of, just go and fight. That's all. And this is assured. What? Your victory is assured. And then what? Tasmat Mutishta. Now you get up, enough. You don't think anything. And Yasho or Labasva. Yasho means what? You are getting fame and you're going to win. And Labasva, Lab, we say, that way. Jitva Shatrum Bongshwa Rajyan Samuddam. You just kill the enemies. And I have already decided their fate. You have to just do this, whatever, shoot the arrow or something, and Rajyam, you take care of you will get the Rajya, that kingdom in your hand. Then Maya Vaita Niyata Purvameva Nimittamati. You're just going to be just an ordinary person. You're just an ordinary person whom I'm using you to do this act and take the credit. That also he says, you take the credit. So, but behind this what? It is only God's will, only because he wills to do this, and that will happen definitely. But why we are not able to do that? Because we are all conditioned souls, which is given here. This is a specific plan being carried out in the material world. What is the plan? That cosmic manifestation is a chance for the conditioned souls. So this cosmic manifestation, we are all taken a human form, just given a chance for us to go back to Godhead. Go back home, go back to Godhead. Why an ant or an elephant cannot go? Because they are unable to do the devotional service. Only in a human form, we get a chance to go. So what? We are all in the human form. But anyone who understands the plan of Supreme Lord, then what are we supposed to do? Because once we understand in the human form, we can understand that we are into Krishna consciousness. We can be in the Krishna consciousness, which is the path to go back to Godhead. Such people are called intelligent. And then the creation and destruction of cosmic manifestation are all under the supervision of the Lord. And thus the battle of Kurukshetra was fought according to the plan of God. It was God's desire, to annihilate. Why he is going to kill everyone? Because everyone is supposed to get killed only. Everyone has to die one day. But he was also told to fight in accordance with the desire of the Supreme Lord. Then he would be happy. Then only, see, whatever the God wished, if he says you kill a person, we have to kill, just to keep him happy. Whatever the God's wish, that will only happen. And we have, suppose we are only a Nimitta Matram. Today we are attending a level 3 course, not level 3. We are all in Bhakti Shastri course, is because it is his plan. That's why we are all here. There are many people who are unable to go to this level also. Maybe they are not destined to. But we are all destined to go till this part. And again, if God wills, then we can go further, provided, of course, we should also have that inclination to go further. Then only when we act according to God's wish, then only he would be happy. If one is in full Krishna consciousness and his life is devoted to Lord's transcendental service, then only that person will be called perfect. So what are we supposed to do? Just to keep him happy. And what will make him happy? Just do everything, think of him, hear of him, speak of him. Is it possible in the material world? We have to try to, as much as possible. Yeah, Vamshidhar Prabhuji, 34.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Text 34. Dronam cha bhishmascha जयद्रं च कर्णं तथा अन्यम् अपि योद्धवीरान् माया हतां त्वं जाहि मा व अव्यस्थितां युद्धश्व जेतासि रणे सपत्नां synonymous Dronam cha also Drona, Bhismam also Bhisma, Jayadram cha also Jayadhrata, Karnam Karna, Tatha also Anya others, Api certainly, Yodha Viran great warriors, Maya by me, Hatan already killed, Tvam you, Jahi destroyed.
Jahi.
Jahi.
Not Jahi. Jahi.
Jahi.
Destroy.
Destroy. Ma, do not. Avyasthitah.
Vyatishtaha.
Vyatistah. Be disturbed. Yuddha. Yuddhasva. Just fight. Jetasi. Jetasi. You will conquer. Rane. In the fight. Sapatnam. Enemies. Translation by Prabhupada. Prabhupada ki jai. Drona, Bhisma, Jayadratha, Karna, and the other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Therefore, kill them and do not be disturbed. Simply fight, and you will vanquish your enemies in battle. Purport. Every plan is made by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but He is so kind and merciful to His devotees that He wanted to give the credit to His devotees, who carry out His plan according to His desire. Life should therefore move in such a way that everyone act in Krishna consciousness and understands the Supreme Personality of Godhead through the medium of spiritual master. The plan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead are understood by His mercy, and the plan of the devotees are so good as His plans. One should follow such plans and be victorious in the struggle for existence. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, this is already we are told about this. So what he is giving us a chance. All the devotees, devotees are who are ready to please the Lord. Whatever they do, just to please the Lord. And what Lord does, He gives them the credit also. You are doing as per my plan, but then you take the credit. You are going to fight because of me, just to keep me happy. But then you take the credit of winning the war. You are getting the that benefit. So that way, He is helping the devotees also. To get the benefit. The plans of Supreme Personality of Godhead are understood to be by His mercy, and the plans of the devotees are as good as His plans. Whatever the plans devotees are doing, it is all because they do everything for the Lord. So His plans, the devotees' plans are also as good as the Lord's plan. So one should follow such plans and be victorious in the struggle of existence. So we are all existing in this material world. Yes, we have come into this world due to some desire, some this, or maybe this is our last janma. We do not know. But then, as long as we are here in the human form, so only in the human form we are, given the chance to think of the Lord and go back to Godhead. And so we have to be do any action as per His plan. His plan is what? His plan is to keep Him happy. Yeah, then take one more, Prabhuji, 35
Okay. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Sanjay Uvacha Etat Shrutva Vachanam Keshavasya Kritanjalair Vepamanaha Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Evaha Krishnam Sagadam Bhita Pranamya
Pranamya Bhita Bhita.
Pranamya Sanjay said, Etat, thus, Shrutva, hearing, Vachanam, the speech, Keshavasya of Krishna, Kritanjalai, the folded hands, Vepa Manaha, trembling, Kiriti, Arjuna, Namaskritva, offering obeisances, Bhuyaha, again, Eva also, Aha, said Krishnam, unto Krishna, Sa Gad Gadam, with a filtering voice. Bhitaha, fearful, pranamya, offering obeisances. Translation, His Divine Grace, Prabhupada ki Jai. Sanjay said, Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the trembling Arjuna offered obeisances with folded hands. Again and again, he fearfully spoke to Lord Krishna in a filtering voice as follows. Small purport. As we have already explained, because of the situation created by the universal form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Arjuna became bewildered in wonders. Thus, he began to offer his respectful obeisances to Krishna again and again. And with faltering voice, he began to pray, not as a friend, but as a devotee in wonder. Hare Krishna.
What a transformation, no?
Hmm.
He already believed in God, Krishna is God.
Yes,
He was
yes.
very friendly. Now what? He's scared after seeing all the, universal form and all. He's scared and in wonder. And what he's become
So many fire and furious mountains and Jwalamukhis and different demigods. There are in Asuras also, Devatas also, different Yakshinis also, Kumaras also, whatnot. Total entire manifestation of cosmos.
everything in him, even Lord Shiva, Kartikeya, everything.
Even
he has.
waterfall also and earthquake also. Many destruction also in there.
So he's all in wonder as well as he's scared also. And now he's going to talk to him as a devotee. And who says this? He's telling, Sanjay is telling to the king, Dhritarashtra. Yes. Now who's taking?
Sanjay is
Even
experiencing 3D vision, Mataji.
What, Prabhuji? I didn't hear you.
Sanjay experiencing 3D vision.
Yes. Vaishnavi Mataji, Hare Krishna, 36.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Arjuna Uvacha. Sthane Rishike Tava Prakirtya Jagat Praharshyet Anurjayate Cha. Rakshamsi Bhitani Dishtravanti Sarve Namasyanti Cha Siddha Sangaha. Synonyms. Arjuna Vacha, Arjuna said, Sthane, rightly, Rishikesha, O master of all senses, Tava, you are, Prakirtya, by the glorious, Jagat, the entire world, Praharshyati is rejoicing, Anurajyate is becoming attached, Cha and Rakshamsi, the demons, Bhitani, out of fear, Dishaha, in all directions, Dravanti, are fleeing, Sarve, all, Namasyanti, are offering, respects, Cha also, Siddha Sangaha, the perfect human beings. Translation. Arjuna said, O master of the senses, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you the respectful homage, the demons are afraid and they flee here and there. All this is rightly done. Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Arjuna, after hearing from Krishna about the outcome of battle of Kurukshetra, became enlightened, and as a great devotee and friend of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he said that everything done by Krishna is quite fit. Arjuna confirmed that Krishna is the maintainer and object of worship for the devotees and the destroyer of the undesirables. His actions are equally good for all. Arjuna understood herein that when the battle of Kurukshetra was being concluded, in outer space there were present many demigods, Siddhas, and the intelligentsia of the higher planets, and they were observing the fight because Krishna was present there. When Arjuna saw the universal form of the Lord, the demigods took pleasure in it, but others who were demons and atheists could not stand it when the Lord was praised. Out of their natural fear of devastating form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they fled. Krishna's treatment of the devotees and the atheist is praised by Arjuna. In all case, a devotee glorifies the Lord because he knows that whatever he does is good for all.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Even, yesterday I think we discussed this. So everybody has to get annihilated, but the atheist and the demons, they're all fearing the Lord. The Kamsa story also we know. Every now and then Kamsa and Putana, everybody is thinking of the Lord, how to kill him, but they are thinking in a different way. So that's why they are all fearing. But as a good people, like demigods and pious people, what they do, all devotees, what we think in good terms. So we are also thinking of Lord, but what in a right sense. So what is given here? So Krishna's treatment of devotees and atheists are all same only, and only we praise, only demigods praise, demigods and wise people, Mahatmas and devotees, they praise the Lord's action, any action. Even if they were to be getting killed in this, in second chapter it comes, even if you die in the battlefield, what will happen? You will get moksha, because whoever is dying in the battlefield will get moksha. Moksha means what? They will all get a good higher planetary place. Or if you
Swargaloka
don't,
Praptam, and if
yeah,
you
Raja
die,
Samrutam. What that
then and if you win, and you will be able
Rapsi,
to conquer world.
yes, and suppose if you win the war, what will happen? You will gain a material benefit of conquering your kingdom, and then you can rule for many years. So in both ways, what you are going to be the winner only. So that is how a devotee always feels. So this shloka tells us what. Being a devotee, whatever happens to us, you may fall sick, you may fail in your exams, you may not get your job, or you may not get your promotion, or whatever, something, what you're aspired, and it is not happening. So what you should think is, what is happening is for my goodness only. God has created whatever is happening, it is only for my goodness. We do not know what is going to, our life will take us forward. So, but we should always, as a devotee, what we should think, whatever happens in our life, it is all meant for good only, because God will never cheat his own, devotee. That also is in one of the shlokas. Last time we discussed that, God will never, he tells Arjuna, go tell boldly, my devotees will never perish. That means what? He is taking assurance. He says, I will never leave my devotees. I will always be with them. But something what he aspire, that doesn't happen. We should never think like, hey, this God doesn't have eyes. He doesn't understand me. So much I'm doing japa. All these things won't work. Whatever has to happen will definitely happen. And that whatever happens will always be good for us, because we do not know what is our future. So that is how a devotee will understand. So Arjuna understood this perfectly well, and he is what is given here. So in our outer space, there were present many demigods. Yeah, demigods are also seeing all this, the universal form of the Lord. They're all very happy about seeing the universal form. But the demons, they get fear, they're seeing this form. Because what they think is, oh, even I will get annihilated. That's sort of a fear they get, and they are fleeing from that place. Yeah, Hare Krishna. So 37, yeah. Who is taking 37? This was a big purpose. Everybody should participate. Whoever is attending our class, except people who are in travel, who are gone to yatra, or whoever is in the travel due to work thing, let them not read. Otherwise, people should take part. That will all be added in your Bhakti Shastri marks. Because that that discretion, they will ask the teacher, how was the class, how the people were behaving, how the devotees were interacting, were they reading, but not only reading, but they giving their opinions. Everything matters, because we are in Bhakti Shastri is what you are going to take the lead, and take the other devotees to, you will be teaching others. So we should be bold enough to, if not keeping the video on also, it's okay, just to keep yourself. You should not fear anything. Yeah, now, who else? Manjula Mataji said. Arunaksha Prabhuji, Kirtana Mataji. Who is this? Oh, Sneha Mataji ka kuch alag ho gaya. Sneha Mataji. Oh, today you have come, huh? Sanju Mataji. Yeah, who is unmuted? Arunaksha Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji. You can read? Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I can read. Mataji.
Yeah. Those who are comfortable can raise hand. Accordingly, we will give you a chance. Please read, Prabhuji.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Kasmacha te namaren mahatam gari
Mahatman. Nameran Mahatman. Read slowly.
Nameran mahatam Mahatman Gariyashe Brahmano api adi kartre Ananta devesha jagannivasa Tvam aksharam sad asat tat param yat. Synonyms, translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Kasmat, why? Cha, also. Te, unto you. Na, not. Nameran, they should offer proper obeisances. Maha Atman, O great one. Gari Yashe, who are better. Brahmana, than Brahma. Api, although. Adi Kartre, to the supreme creator. Ananta, O unlimited. Deva Isha, O God of the gods. Jagat Nivasa, O refuge of the universe. Tvam, you are. Aksharam, imperishable. Sat Asat, to cause and effect. Tat Param, transcendental. Yet, because. Translation: O great one, greater even than Brahma, you are the original creator. Why then should they not offer the respectful obeisances unto you? O limitless one, God of gods, refuge of the universe, you are the invincible source, the cause of all the causes, transcendental to this material manifestation. Purport: by this offering of obeisances, Arjuna indicates that Krishna is worshipable by everyone. He is all pervading and he is the soul of every soul. Arjuna is addressing Krishna as Mahatma, which means that he is most magnanimous and unlimited. Ananta indicates that there is nothing which is not covered by the influence and energy of the Supreme Lord. And Devesha means that he is the controller of all demigods and is above them all. He is the shelter of the whole universe. Arjuna also thought that it was fitting that all the perfect living entities and powerful demigods offer the respectful obeisances unto him, because no one is greater than him. Arjuna especially mentions that Krishna is greater than Brahma because Brahma is created by him. Brahma is born out of the lotus stem grown from the navel abdomen of Garbhodakshayi Vishnu, who is Krishna's plenary expansion. Therefore, Brahma and Lord Shiva, who is born of Brahma, and all other demigods must offer their respectful obeisances. It is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam that the Lord is respected by Lord Shiva and Brahma and similar other demigods. The word Aksharam is very significant because this material creation is subject to destruction, but the Lord is above this material creation. He is the cause of all causes, and being so, he is superior to all the conditioned souls within this material nature, as well as the material cosmic manifestation itself. He is therefore the all great supreme.
Yeah.
Hare
Too much
Krishna.
of too much of, the telling about Krishna, how great he is. Even Lord Brahma is come out of him. Even Lord Shiva is come out of him. So everything. So he is the origin. So beyond him, nothing is there. So even then, so why anyone will not, do their obeisances to you? Definitely everyone will be bowing down their head to him. So that's what is given here. Oh, limitless, how? So why then should they not offer their respectful obeisances unto you? Because they all know you are the original, you are the limitless one, you are the God of gods. And then what? Refuge of the universe, everything comes to you only. And so everybody understands this. That's why people will definitely, do their obeisances unto you. So that is what is given here. And Srimad Bhagavatam is also respected. It is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam that Lord is respected by Lord Shiva also. Lord Shiva is the perfect, devotee. He is the number one devotee of Vaishnava. He is the number one Vaishnava of Krishna and Brahma and similar other demigods. The word Aksharam is very significant because material creation is subject. Aksharam is what? Kshara. Kshara is what? To annihilate. Akshara is not annihilate, but material creation is subject to annihilation only. But the Lord is above the material creation. That's why he is Aksharam. Aksharam is what? Which can never get annihilated. So God is beyond that also. So he is the cause of all causes. He is superior. All this because, and therefore, he is therefore all great, supreme. All these are superlatives and all that clauses are given. We keep reading about these. Yeah. Prasanna Chitta Prabhuji and then Sanju Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Again, you're all back to your, going behind the screen. Huh? If you're comfortable, whoever is comfortable, come in and, keep your video on and you can read. So you will also feel, bold to read. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Tvam Adidevam Purusham Puranas Tvam Asya Vishwasya Param Nidanam Vetasya Vedyam Cha Param Cha Dharma Tvaya
Dharma, not Dharma.
Param Dama Tvaya Tamam Vishwam Anantarupam. Synonyms: Tvam, you, Adideva, the original supreme God, Purusha, personality, Purana, old, Tvam, you, Asya, of this, Vishwasya, universe, Param, transcendental, Nidanam, refuge, Veta, the knower, Asi, you are, Vedyam, the knowable, Cha, and Param, transcendental, Cha, and Dharma, refuge. Tvaya, by you, Tatam, pervaded, Vishwam, the universe, Ananta Rupa, O unlimited form. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation: you are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You are the knower of everything, and you are all that is knowable. You are the supreme refuge above the material modes. O limitless form, this whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you. Purport: everything is resting on the Supreme Personality of Godhead, therefore, He is the ultimate rest. Nidanam means that everything, even the Brahman effulgence, rests on the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna is the knower of everything that is happening in this world, and if knowledge has any end, He is the end of all knowledge. Therefore, He is the known and the knowable. He is the object of knowledge because He is all pervading. Because He is the cause in the spiritual world, He is transcendental. He is also the chief personality in the transcendental world. Hare Krishna.
So what is we are learning? We are learning about the Lord. So, and what is, He is the knowledge. Okay. He is the end of knowledge. Whatever we are learning, it's all about knowledge. Now, knowledge is what? About the Lord only. And what are we going to get? What are we going to understand from that knowledge? About the Lord only. And what benefit are we going to get? We are going to Him only. So everything is surrounded by Him only. So that is happening in this world. So listen, He is the knower of everything that is happening in this world. And if knowledge has an end, He is the end of the knowledge. And therefore, He is the known and knowable. We are learning about Him. And what subject we are learning? About the Lord only. And we are going to understand Him. And what is the object of that knowledge? It's just to reach Him. Because He is all pervading. And He is the cause of all spiritual world also. Where are we going? We will be going to a spiritual world. And there also it has been held by the Lord. And he's transcendental. He's also the chief personality of transcendental. We can take one more, Prabhuji, so it's very short. Vayu. Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. वायुर्यमो अग्निर्वरुणा शशाङ्क प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रतितामाहश्च नमो नम प्रति प्रति प्रापिता प्रापितामहाश्च
Prapita.
प्रपिता प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्ते अस्तु सहस्रकृत्वा पुनश्च भूयो अपि नमो नमस्ते. Synonyms: Vayu, air; Yama, the controller; Agni, fire; Varuna, water; Sasa, Anka, the moon; Prajapati, Brahma; Tvam, you; Prapitamaha, the great grandfather; Cha, also; Maha, my respects; Nama, again my respects; Te, unto you; Astu, let there be; Sahasrakritva, 1,000 times; Puna, Cha, and again; Bhuya, again; Api, also; Nama, offering my respects; Nama, Te, offering my respects unto you. Translation. Translation purport Srila Prabhupada ki jai. You are ear and you are the supreme controller. You are fire, you are water, and you are the moon. You are Brahma, the first living creature, and you are the great grandfather. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto you 1,000 times, and it again. Purport: the Lord is addressed here as ear because the ear is the most important representation of all the demigods. Being all pervasive, Arjuna also addresses Krishna as the great grandfather because he is the father of Brahma, the first living creature in the universe. Hare Krishna.
That is why I said Prapitamaha, Prapitamaha. It's a great grandfather. So we have learned all this, and he's referring him as all the 5 material elements: fire, air, water, moon, everything. You are only that, and you are the first living creature. You are even you are Brahma's father. So you're great grandfather for me, and that's why I'm Puna, and again I'm for obeisances to you. You're 1,000 times, and then again and yet again I'm for respecting you by giving obeisance. What is given here? Respectful obeisance. Yeah, 40. Who? Sanju Mataji. Hare Krishna. You can read, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Sanju Mataji. She's not in the place. Okay, who can take? I'll take otherwise. Nama Puras. About Purastad. Nama Purastad at the priest. Yes, Sanju Mataji. Yes. You want
Om
help?
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Try, Mataji.
Nama
Nama
Purastad
Purastad at the
Atha
Purishchataste.
Nama Purastad Atha Parastastate
Prishtataste. Namo Sate Sar.
Pristataste Namos Astute Sarvata Eva Sarva Ananta Viryamita Vikramastvam
Sarvam.
Sarvam Samapnoshi Tato Asi Sarvam Sarvaha. Synonyms: Nama, offering obeisances; Purastat, from the front; Atha, also; Prastatha, from behind; Te, unto you; Nama Astu, I offer my respects; Te, unto you; Sarvata, from all sides; Eva, indeed; Sarva, because you are everything; Ananta Virya, unlimited potency; Amita, Vikrama, and unlimited force; Tvam, you; Sarvam, everything; Samapnosi, you; cover; Tata, therefore; Asi, you are; Sarva, everything. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Obeisances to you from the front, behind, from all sides. O unbounded power, you are the master of a limitless might. You are all-pervading, and thus you are everything. purport. Out of loving ecstasy for Krishna, his friend Arjuna is offering his respects from all sides. He is accepting that he is the master of all potencies and all prowess and far superior to all the great warriors assembled on the battlefield. It is said in the Vishnu Purana 1.9.69 Yo ayam tava gato deva samipam devatagana sasam eva jagat sarasta yatha sarvagata bhavan. Whoever comes before you, even if he be a demigod, is created by you, O Supreme Personality of the Godhead.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
So what he's saying, Arjuna is offering respects to from all sides. It is not from, you are in front of me, so I'm going to offer respects just in the front, even at the back, because he is pervaded everywhere. Krishna is pervaded everywhere. On all sides, I'm, offering my respects because he is what? He is accepting that he is accepted. Already he knows, but now after seeing all this universal form, he feels you are the master of all potencies, you are all the powers, and you're superior to all, even the great warriors, and even for the demigods also, it is given in Vishnu Purana. Whoever comes before you, even they may be a demigod. Demigod what? Ganpati, Saraswati, all these people we worship, no? Even they have been created by you only. So you are the supreme personality of Godhead. It is given in Vishnu Purana. Can take one more, Mataji?
Krishna, yes, Mataji. Text 41, 42. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Sakheti Matva Parashabham Yat
Prasabham
Yuktam
Oh, you want English?
Prasabham Yat Yuktam He Krishna He Yadava He Sakheti Ajanati Mahimanam
Ajanata,
Kevadan
Ajanata, nahi jante hue. I don't understand.
Ajanata Mahimanam
Tavedam,
Tavedam
Maya,
Maya
Maya nahi.
Paramadat
Most of the people are
Maya
reading as Maya. Maya is different. Maya. Maya Pramadat
Maya Maya Pramadat Pranayena
Pranayena
Vapi
Yachavaha Shatam
Yakshavahasratham Asat Pratoshi Viraha Sayashana Bhajonishu
Bhojaneshu.
Bho-
You read correctly, you
Bhojanishu
will understand the meaning also. You should read correctly. It is in English only, no? English and Hindi. So you should read. Vihara Sayyasana Bhojaneshu. Ekota
Virasaya Asana
Bhajo
Bhajonishu
nahi baba, Bhojanesh.
Yako
Bhajo and Bhojan.
Bhojanishu
No, Bhoja means khana. Bhaja is this worship. Next. Ekotavapi.
Eko Atha Vapi Achyuta
Maksham.
Tat Sanaksham Tat
Cha.
Shami
Tvam.
Shami Tvam Aham
Ramayi. Tvam.
Aparamayam
Aprameyam.
Synonyms Sakha
Sakha.
friend Iti thus Matva thinking Prasabham presumptuously yet
Presumptuous.
whatever Yuktam said, He Krishna, O Krishna, He Yadava, O Yadava, He Sakhi, O my dear friend, iti thus Ajanata, without knowing, Mahimanam, glories, Tava, your, Idam, this, Maya, by me, Pramadat, out of foolishness, Pranayena, out of love, Vat, api, either, yet whatever, cha, also, avahasha, artham, for joking, asat, krata, dishonored, asi, you have been, vihara, in relaxation, sayaya, in laying down,
Shaya.
asana, uh, in
Shaya.
sitting,
In lying down.
bhojanishu,
Oh, you come here.
or while eating together, ekaha alone, atha va, or pi, api also, achyuta, o, infallible one, that assumption among companions, that all those Shame ask
Shamani.
forgiveness. Tvam from you, aham, I, apramayam, immeasurable. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Thinking of you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you, O Krishna, O Yadava, O my friend, not knowing your glories. Please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times, jesting as we relaxed, laying on the same bed or sat or ate together, sometimes alone, sometimes in front of many friends. O infallible one, please excuse me for all those offenses. Purport. Although Krishna is manifested before Arjuna in his universal form, Arjuna remembers his friendly relationship with Krishna and is therefore asking pardon and requesting Krishna to excuse him from for the many informal gestures which arise out of a friendship. He is admitting that formally he did not know that Krishna could assume such a universal form, although Krishna explained it as his intimate friend. Arjuna did not know how many times he may have dishonored Krishna by addressing him, O my friend, O Krishna, O Yadava, etc., without acknowledging his opulence. But Krishna is so kind and merciful that in spite of such opulence, he played with Arjuna as a friend. Such is the transcendental loving reciprocation between the devotee and the Lord. The relationship between the living entity and Krishna is fixed eternally. It cannot be forgotten, as we can see from the behavior of Arjuna. Although Arjuna has seen the opulence in the universal form, he cannot forget his friendly relationship with Krishna. Hare Krishna.
So what happens? No, Arjuna is feeling so bad because he has treated Krishna as his own friend, as his own intimate friend. And he used to call him, hey Krishna, come here. Oh Yadava. He has used all such words. They ate together, they slept together, everything they did together. And in the what? In jokingly, he must have insulted him. That's what he feels, I've insulted you so many times, even in the joking way, not intent to hurt you or something. But I never thought that you are such a supreme person. After seeing your universal form, I have understood, you're such a great person, but you never felt bad also. When I treated you so like a casual person, you never felt bad. You were so good. So that is how Krishna is with every devotee. This is what, here a lesson for us also. All these days we have taken things not so seriously. Come and attend or not attend the classes, or some days don't do 16 rounds, no problem. But Lord will not leave us at all. Once you have taken his name, he will see to it that you always come into this line. But we should have that feeling also. Oh, yesterday I could not complete the rounds. Today I should come somehow, complete those whatever is pending, and today's round also. Oh, yesterday I could not see the Mangalarti. Today I need to do. Yeah, if not Mangalarti, if you are doing at home, yes. One day, any day you skip also, God will not punish us. He is not there to give us punishment. He is just so, because this is an example, Arjuna is just feeling so bad after seeing his universal form. He has understood God is so great. He is God, he knows. But he is so great that he was not aware. And so he's feeling bad. I treated you so casually. I used to call you, hey, Yadava, hey, Krishna and all. But you never mind all that. And you're showing me such a grace, this man. Rohini Mata, you can take, 43. You want to take? Oh, it is big. Chalega, aap le lo.
Yes, Mataji.
You had raised hand, no?
No,
Yeah.
if you want, we can do tomorrow, Mataji.
We
Your
can do
wish.
tomorrow, okay.
Your
Only
call.
55,
Yeah.
less, only 12 verses are there. So this is how so each, let's see, we are reading as a story, yes. But what are we going to take out from this shloka? Every shloka will tell us what to be and what not to be, how to gain knowledge from that. So from this we can make out, as a devotee, Lord will not leave us. And even if you have been very casual with Krishna, you have not taken your, without offering the Lord, you must have eaten. So many years you have eaten. Still, God will not mind it. At least from today, you're going to offer me and with love and giving me, all this offering, and then you're eating, no problem. I will still accept you. I will even now I will take you back to Godhead. That is how Krishna is. Where it's given. The relationship between the living entity and Krishna is fixed eternally. We are all the children of the Lord. So it cannot be forgotten. He doesn't forget. Only we, because of the conditioned soul, we are all getting confused and we forget him. But he doesn't forget. As we can see from the behavior of Arjuna. From Arjuna is like an example. We can take this as an example and we can improve our life. At least from today onwards, we can, if at all, I'm there. See, all these examples I'm talking about me only, okay? So all others are all very great devotees only. And because even with me, see, I went for travel. Many times I have missed, not 16 round. 16 round is always I do because early morning I get up. But yes, offering to the Lord when I travel and all, it has happened so like I had not offered, but I have had it. But then within mind, I always think I could not offer you, literally come in front of you and offer because I don't carry the Lord along with me. There are many devotees who do that also. I don't do that because it's not comfortable for me. So, but then within mind, I always go, this is Krishna Arpanam, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam. I say that and then I have it. But is it sufficient? No. We need to be still more because after a initiated devotee, I need to be little more stronger in my conviction and I had to practice. Yes. So this is only meant for me. I said, now I will